hello every single one of you beautiful people. Welcome back, Diana. Welcome back, Hope. Welcome back, Investor. Abbas. Welcome to this live open. A bit later than I anticipated, I guess. But there we are. My name. Welcome to YouTube channel Eivindfx, by the way. Let's go through some dollar pairs, yen pairs, gold, dollar, whatever you want me to go through. I shall not receive. I shall give. I'm here to help you becoming a better forex trader, and I am been trading for 8 years now, I guess, and failing myself through life, and I may have a couple of stories to tell that might help you out. Yesterday, yen pairs went straight up to take profit, so that was a successful trade plan. Was that a successful execution of my trade plan? Well, that is why I had a rough day yesterday. Yeah. So, if Diana has a limited time, I'm not gonna waste your time. On the dollar at the moment, we're still seeing climbing higher. We have a pullback this morning at around 10 a.m. or 9 a.m., which is like an hour ago. The previous candle we had a pullback on the Dixie. Is that bearish? No, that's not a bearish at all. That is just a pullback for you to buy the dollar this morning. Hello, Maria. So, what is going to happen next? And are we able to scalp or put in the entries this morning on the euro, on dollar, on anything? Well, let's see. That's kind of what my plan is, and then we shall see what the market gives us. I can't really force the market more than anything else, more than what they're giving us right now. So, if we go and look into the news this morning, Japan's PM Kishina weakening of the yen would boost exports. We have to see what the yen is reacting to that. PM says we must employ physical stimulus in a flexible manner. That does not imply that there is no concern of rising debt balance indefinitely. We also have a desire to broaden the percentage tax incentive system aimed to encourage businesses to improve salaries, such as targeting larger range of businesses. Okie dokie. I saw Aussie yen falling. I saw that candle on my phone. I'm like, ooh, yeah. What do you think that is about? I think that is about pullback to buy it again. Remember, buy it again at the highest high is probably not your strategy, so you should probably stay away. But it's a funny thing that it happened, because we might get a downtrend again. But at this very moment, we have a super duper strong, I know I said duper too many times there, but duper strong uptrend, so hands off. Can you cover USDN in caps today, Selva? Okay? Selva is angry. What did I do to you? And there's something we do to talk about, brother. That's all. Other than that, I hope that... Well, that was cracked big time. I hope that you are mentally stable today. That you have rested well and you are seeing clarity. Another USD yen. USD yen has hit the take profit level, so if you are a buyer of USD yen, you should be, well, not financial advice whatsoever, but what I would do, I would get out of there. Can this one continue higher? Yes. That is a different strategy. That is a different trade, And that is, yeah, exactly. Yeah. Tell that to your wife. I'm not angry, but in caps. But okay. I see you. So until I found the off the caps guy, of the caps on the keyboard, you're still angry. So if I was you, I would be getting out. Anytime soon would probably work. If this goes higher, then that's a different trade setup, as I said, and that is scalping. Scalping higher, taking day trades if we're going higher, is then your strategy you're supposed to apply. The next thing that happens after a target is being hit, there is more, let's say, market does that, but then there's larger chance of larger pullback still coming back up to the same high or higher. There is what I would call increased volatility when we have hit target. Okay, a very good example that has had happen lately is USD SAR. I don't know if that matters to anyone, but I said here, take profit. I said. Now, you have a deeper pullback. I don't know if that kicked you out, though. That can kick you out. Some of us can kick somewhat. Because that is lower low, third lower low. Find support at 1484. Okay, great. Goes back to the same level. There you have your second exit. And then you have down to the same level again at around 1443. 1483. So yeah, just be careful with targets. You're there to make the decision. It's your trading account, it's your trading life. I'm not gonna make you do anything. I'm not gonna force you to do anything. But what I'm not gonna do, I'm gonna see what I would. I'm saying what I would do at least. So until then, we are, there we are. So if you are new to this channel, that's always interesting and always fun. Please ask questions. No, I sound like a robotic guy to the people that is here tirelessly every single day, but I didn't get it as high as I wanted to sell $1 yesterday just to get an entry. I think that would probably be a bad idea, but it's not good right now. Euro, dollar. For all intents and purposes, it's consolidating. So, well, I guess we can fall, but it's not falling at this moment. So I'm just wondering, what do they know at 1500 that I don't know? Was that their target? If that was their target, ladies and gentlemen, we would see boom up like that. Okay, targets being hit is very, very easy to spot. Why? 1900, 1650, 1900, 1850 from above, 2250. You see an immediate reaction. There is no jokes, and price never goes back up again from that, or goes back to our price, at least for those hours and minutes it does touch those prices. Just needed to sneeze there, but I didn't. So that's always fun. So it might happen even in the next few seconds either way. So if you look in this, looking into these news articles about euro dollar, for crying out loud, then it looks bearish. Now even UOB in, I don't know, in Asia somewhere, they see that the downward pressure on EURUSD is looking to fade off. Again, that was different from yesterday, because yesterday, if you read these articles, they said, oh, we're gonna go below, we're gonna go to 1450, we're gonna go to 1300. I don't know. I think someone even says that we were going to parity or something. There we go. Oh, this was just price, okay. But yeah, I'm not gonna bother you with trying to find it even. But like, okay, that's fun too, right? So right now, as of this morning, if you are a seller, yes, this is your sell prices to sell. But what I taught you in the video I shared on Friday, once you start going range bound, you wait to see what happens next. You wait to see what happens next. So it can go higher, we can go lower, we can go anywhere. All right, good. Aussie dollars creeping higher, so that's pretty fun. Most likely because it's not bearish, and that's very strong. Also, dollar is also strong, so that's always fun as well. And then pound is creeping back. So right now, I don't know what the heat maps tells us, but if there's a heat map out there, I probably think a lot of things. Let's see if I can find something. Maybe trading me, maybe. That's always fun. That was stock. You're supposed to do Forex-ish, I guess. There we go. Just below it. A lot of people are strong. And who is weak? Singapore dollar, Hong Kong dollar, Japanese yen seems to be stronger today, and Swiss seems stronger, and New Zealand is also very strong against all the other pairs. Interesting. Who's the weakest? Pound seems to be the weakest today. So if we then go to pound yen, for lack of a better word, I guess. How's that going for you? So, is this a bearish trend? Is this something we can sell off and say, hey, we can make money here, this is our trading strategy? What you apparently just have at this moment is a high. That is what you have. So I don't want to buy it, but it's really tempting. It's really tempting. But it is because the market has no problem just doing that, coming back down to this support before like jumping back up again, then probably down again if you're going to be a seller. But so yeah, I know these market conditions, and I feel like we are just like that. It's just some small consolidation. We could pop higher, we can go lower, we can go wherever the market wants us to go, kind of a thing. It's just in between there. So, is there any trade setups there? Not really, no. For pound dollar, I would have loved to sell it this morning. But I'm not getting the follow through that I want to see. Like, it doesn't make lower lows on London Open. It is currently pulling back. And I probably should have sold it like here so I can have the best entry. But other than that, sure. It's not bullish, is it? So I guess it goes. New Zealand dollar is, I don't know what this is about. This range market, consolidation market is about. Some of the Forex news says that New Zealand dollar is looking to some consolidation. Well, Sherlock, that has already happened, Sherlock. So at this moment, you're just wondering what is going on. So when do we have clarity? When do we know what we are doing, when we are doing it, and why we are doing it? Those are the price levels that I wanted to have worked on. And then right now, no, not really. No. Maybe. I'm just trying to figure out what's wrong with this dollar thing, because everyone that I read about is saying dollar's gonna go higher. Then why are you not strong, dollar? Why are you weak? Or why are you not just bada bing, bada boom, there like that? Why are you not just going in a straight line, straight up? Everything is fantastically higher. That's a good question. Is there any other pairs you guys want me to cover? That's always fun. If you think of buying your USD, you don't have a bullish trend at the moment. You have an opinion. Okay, I can listen. With 1 year at least. Please tell me. So right now, what's the update? We have 233 pips in profit so far. That's kind of the update there. I'm trying to look for anything that could be of good setups for tomorrow. I know I should stop saying but I'm Norwegian. Each time the dollar dips like for 3 weeks sideways, more shorts closes and long ads mean they are accumulating dollar long as per COT. As you're looking into Aussie yen, that is super duper net short. Go figure. If you're looking into Euro yen, that is super duper net short. Go figure. Pound yen, super duper net short. Go figure. And USD yen, super duper shorted. Go figure by the retail traders. So as much as this has gone higher, the retail traders has sent it lower. So dollar index, you said, go there. This is what we're referencing. we can go down to, well, this week net non-commercial took profit or stopped out on their short positions. They're extremely bullish at the moment, 77.9% to the long side. If you look at only non-commercial, you can see they're at the highest high for whatever years that is. That is up until 2019 high. That is pre-COVID and all those shenanigans. The question becomes, does this follow the price? Let's see. So here, price started going higher. They started accumulating buys in this area. Okay, we're going higher, 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 higher. That's a top there. That's a top there. Falls a bit. This one falls more than the actual chart though, but that's always fun and interesting. And then there's a peak here. I didn't follow that peak. Maybe there's a small peak there. But the peak, that one comes over there. And then falling, 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 falling. This is actually COVID, by the way. Goes up. And then the stock market, no, the instrument comes in and says, hey, we're going to sell the living life out of this one. And then boom, 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 boom. Now, they said they're going to taper, and now we're going back up again. Basically. But what happened on dollar on the last tapering? I know that we were looking into dollar sentiment, but or sentiment, but I was just adding to it. Price sideways IMO to finish their short lowest price move, more revenue. When you close contracts, add longs at cheap price, next breakout TP 95.96. That's my theory. Yeah, you might be right, you might be wrong though. Who knows? So, is there any evidence of a well, it seems like today the market is sleeping, by the way, if you're wondering, to me. Because nothing has really happened as we have been here. We have just been, I don't know, going up and down the same price level. Yeah, give or take, so. Maybe there's a breakout today. Maybe there's a breakout. Not really convincing on pound dollar to sell it. Not really convinced. That's an interesting trading theory. That pound yen has started a strong uptrend. Yeah, it did, and then it hit take profit. Kind of. So the ways until then. Good morning, LA. Nobody asked about gold, so I can do gold, and then I don't know why I feel so emotionless this morning, but yeah. Gold is still in the range, maybe going up to hit some stop losses in the range that they have created, and then yeah, Okay, cool. Mark is not performing. Mark is not performing here. Natgas, if there's anything that you want to see on Natgas, if you are in Europe, America, Euro, whatever, China, this is now going lower. Have fun. It's a highly volatile commodity, but Natgas is at least going lower now, so have fun with it. Oil hit the target, I think it was yesterday. So if there's not anything about anything and nothing and whatever, there might be the top, but I just remember that there's going to be CPI this week, so that's probably going to make it pop even harder and even stronger. And then which day was it? Is it Wednesday maybe? There's going to be that one there. Okay. CPI is on Wednesday at around 3:30. Okay, cool. That's okay. Okay. Unemployment rate in the UK is at target at 4.5. Average earnings, including bonuses, is 7.2. Average earnings is 6% increase. Okay, price pressure. And then they also probably need to pay their the lorry drivers more now. The other thing is that I talked to Harold yesterday, the guy in the chat. He's from UK, or not very far from London, and he says that there has been reduction in how crazy the demand for oil is, and there is no long queues at night anymore, and there is functioning gas stations with gas, not necessarily the gas you want it to have, but there seems to be an heroic effort to bring that crisis to a stop and a halt. So okay, seems like it's going better in the UK through the oil crisis. And do you think the gas station companies took advantage of that and like, hey, let's hike the price? Oh yeah, they hiked their price. That's what happens. Hope asks, how do you reckon tomorrow's news will affect the dollar, positively or negatively? I think that if it's going to be stronger than expected, we're going to see dollar strength. If it's weaker than expected, that's going to be dollar weakness. They are pricing in a consumer price index ex food and energy year over year at 4%. Also, do remember that last year, which it is compared to, or it was a dip. So it is a bit high at the moment, and also 5.3 for consumer price index with food and energy. But mostly what we're going to look into is this one here. It's ex food and energy. That's what the Fed is looking at mostly. So that is where your eyes should be. Core, yes, but that's like a big number. I don't understand that. I understand percentage instead. So this one is kind of the same core, and then this one, and this is what the news talks about. But they don't have any clue, do they? So if you see any news talk about 5.3%, just turn the TV off. Salam Asana. Blessings received. Mr. Missa. This is here. Hope you're doing well too. Hope you have tons of profits. So, and if it's a high number, oil is gonna go higher. But do remember, ladies and gentlemen, that for oil right now, we are stretching it. We are definitely stretching the string at the moment. So I'm not too confident at the moment, actually, to be honest. What happened to New Zealand yen, bro? That's what I'm wondering about. Well, let's go through some kind of, I don't know, what do you call it? Let's go through some kind of self-reflection on the trades. Okay? So there's a couple of things that I want to point out. 3rd week of August, 1st of September, 1st of October. What does it... What for those who has gone through training, Harold could not answer it, so I feel like I failed there. So is there anyone else has gone through training through me and knows what I'm talking about here? Who are you meeting? Why are you being so important, Abbas? Why are you being important? Why are you being important? Why are you being a CEO without me? Why have you not given me permission? Why have you not asked for permission to go to that? Can't we say we are stretching dollar too? It seems like it's reached the high of the year already and surpassed. No, I wouldn't say so. Has had a pullback. Oil, which I was talking about, hasn't had the same pullbacks, in my opinion. Yeah. Yeah. So, where were we? Was it New Zealand yen? Yeah, ish. Does anyone know what I have pointed out? Just say no, I don't know. No, I don't know. But or yes, I know. This is where I expect strength, like an uptrend in yen pairs will start. And this year was absolutely beautiful. Did I get it? No, not really, no. First of September is a fail because that's not at a low, so that's okay. Then 1st of October is when I started trading, but we fell down to the same level again, and that scared me out. But what I did last year was when we started doing this, it triggers me. I will then start buying again. But this year, I didn't. So I absolutely blame myself. It was a very difficult day yesterday because I want to be as good as I can. I want to lead you guys into good trades, into good indication, into good setups, but I didn't take them myself. So do I feel like I failed this year? Yeah, I'm pretty much there. So I just probably need to take some, I don't know, rest or some time off or whatever, so I can get back into my alpha game. Because this is my alpha game. This is my alpha game. This is my alpha game. So, trying and trying and trying and trying. But hope you have not gone through my training, so I wouldn't expect you to. Okay. So now we all have to write down 3rd week of August, 1st of September, 1st of October. Where is the price? That's quite high, by the way, so let's probably think of it going like that. Well, it did that in the end, but and now this month instead we have, we have hit our targets as we were supposed to. Be safe, bro. Hello, Moses. You are late. You are late. What about German 30? Not really a good uptrend, not really a great uptrend, not really a good nah, not really good. Not really good, not really great, no. And you probably want to see a high low situation before anything else. But yeah. It's coming down to some kind of support, but I don't trust it. So it might be a start of a low, but I won't be reckoning it. For all those gold traders, so let's just still wait. For those gold traders out there, let me go through what I have been saying. Gold is currently bearish because we have not broken above 1800 or 1780, 90 area. Not until then are we able to buy gold. So right now we are just in the middle, just ranging, taking out anyone trying to take positions, and you probably want to wait for a trend, come back in a week or something, maybe. I don't know. For those who trade gold right now, I'm not saying that you're stupid or you're having a bad trade plan or whatever, but be clever. This is not a market condition that you should be in, basically. So, for whatever you do, wait for a better trend, wait for a better market, wait for a better life, I guess. But yeah. There's always somewhere there, another window when I'm trying to open it up. But anyways. I tried to get some sun in, but here we are. So, yeah. Not really great. Silver, same situation. Doesn't really bother anyone, anything whatsoever. Can we buy the yen pairs? Let me show you something here, son. Price stopped. Where? At the target. Oops. Why did price stop at target? Because it's supposed to. When is the next opportunity, you might ask? Maybe 8 October. Maybe. Well, that's like 4 or 5 days ago. Minor magnitude. For yen to get stronger and it really needs to do a lot of damage. But yeah. Yen is still a Greek. Oh. Now, also, if you talk about earthquakes in Japan, that's pretty normal. But if there is a bad thing happening for the earthquakes in Japan, you will see it very clearly on the chart. Very clearly on the chart. Alright, brothers and sisters. Sorry. Alright. I think we're gonna call it a day. Without any setups whatsoever. Not really anything happening at the moment. I will update you in the Discord channel. But if I see something. But yeah, until then, have a great day. See you. See you in the live at A1 Trading and in 5 hours. No. Is it 5? In 5 hours, I will be live on A1 Trading. So link in the description for Discord where I will be live, and I will be much more happier there.